HBAR rejected a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel just hit over 200 members. We have been sending some amazing trades, well over 50% profit. So if you guys are still interested in joining, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on HBAR, we rejected off a key resistance level here at 0.09. Of course, yesterday we saw some insane 50% gains in our Telegram channel. We played out this level perfectly, but right now what I'm looking for, of course, is the fact that you can see we broke below our exponential moving averages on the 4-hour, and we are starting to see more bearish pressure in the market. Looking at the previous high, you can see that we had a very strong gravestone doji, which I mentioned could definitely be a very nice local top opportunity because of how this market ended up breaking multiple bearish engulfing candles. But immediately after we retested our support level here at 0.08, we saw a very nice bullish engulfing candle breaking once again into our exponential moving averages, and now we are consolidating at this level. What I'm going to be focusing more on, of course, is tomorrow, once volume comes back into the market, whether or not we end up breaking below 0.08 is going to be the question. If we do end up breaking below 0.08 and retesting it as resistance, that's going to present an insane opportunity, possibly riding HBAR back down to 0.057. But of course, right now we're just going to be looking at what the charts are telling us. The charts specifically say, of course, the fact that if we do end up breaking above 0.09, which is a very strong resistance time frame in terms of the 4 hours, once we break above that level and use it as support, that's going to be your confirmation to look for a breakout opportunity on 0.097. If we end up breaking above that level, of course, you guys already know this is the last resistance level that HBAR really has before an absolute parabolic move to 0.15, because looking at previous price analysis, there really isn't much in between this massive dump opportunity that holds us from this level of being tested once again. You can see that after we had this massive free fall opportunity, we ended up retesting the 0.15 area as resistance and then the confirmation to the downside. But pretty much after the capitulation, we never really saw that pullback opportunity until we hit 0.097. This is exactly why I'm looking for this level to obviously be a take profit level. But if we end up breaking that specific resistance, then you guys already know exactly where we will be looking for taking those profits. In terms of the 4-hour time frame, I do want to talk about one more thing. You can see, of course, the fact that we are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks, of course, on this midterm resistance here at 0.09. But if you pay attention, you can see that we are still in this consolidation zone. This is why I mentioned that we aren't looking for any sort of shorting positions unless we break below 0.08. Only then will we start looking for shorting positions, because we have been in this situation before where we ended up seeing a false breakout and then a continuation to the upside. HBAR is one of those coins that has become extremely volatile with the current mindset. You can see, of course, we saw the same thing above here at 0.073, saw that consolidation and then a much stronger bullish engulfing candle for that continuation. And this is exactly what an uptrend looks like. You want to be very careful shorting these uptrends because of volume, of course. But right now, even here on the hourly time frame, you can see, of course, the fact that there's a lot more bearish engulfing candles. Obviously, in terms of resistance on the exponential moving averages, we are still trading below it. You can also see, of course, the fact that we are starting to push lower, which ends up being a beautiful shorting opportunity. You can see that as soon as we ended up breaking below those exponential moving averages and they started to push lower, we started to use this level as resistance, and this was a beautiful confirmation for that shorting position, which currently is once again presenting itself on the hourly time frame. If you see on the daily time frame, though, we do have to keep in mind that we are still in the overbought level, which is why I'm leaning towards more of a move in terms of a pullback towards the downside, because if we do end up breaking below this specific level here at 0.08 on the 4-hour time frame, not only would we end up breaking below that level, but we will also end up breaking below our 20 exponential moving average on the daily, as well as the fact that if we do end up breaking it, retesting it as resistance, that's probably going to be the first time in a very long time that HBAR ended up breaking below our exponential exponential moving averages. This is why I tell you guys to obviously have these indicators in play, because the last time we ended up breaking those exponential moving averages, you can see that we saw a massive move on HBAR going all the way down to our lows at 0.035. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.